System installation of a ROADM can be extremely complex and difficult to perform on site, especially if it's a large degree ROADM. They can easily exceed 100 fibers at installation, and each fiber has to be precisely connected according to specifications. It has to be clean, and if something goes wrong, finding the error can be difficult. It can be time-consuming and very costly. Infinity UOS greatly simplifies this process. Well, what we've done here is at the factory, we are pre-installing fiber patch cords in the back of the system, but they're still accessible, maintainable, and replaceable in the field. And these pre-configured fiber cables connect each of the slots to each other via a fiber distribution panel. What this does is it greatly reduces the effort required to install a new system. The reduction in the number of fibers cables between components of the ROADM node can be reduced by up to 92% depending on the configuration. What it allows to do is a much faster system deployment. It provides predictable quality because a lot of the fibers are pre-installed and pre-cleaned at the factory. And you get a faster, more reliable, and more repeatable installation process, which reduces your cost and your time for installation.